we have started fundamental concept in the reaction mechanism. So there are some various concepts in a reaction mechanism. For the understanding of the reaction mechanism, we have to understand the various concepts for the understanding of the reaction mechanism. We have already seen that electronic displacement. So in electronic displacement, we have already seen the first concept, that is electronic displacement. In electronic displacement, we have already seen that when any reactants are converted into the products, so these reactants are converted into the products. So there is some electronic displacement which takes place. So with the help of this electron displacement, these reactants are converted into the products, or with the help of these reagents initiate the electronic displacement. So there are the three types of this electronic displacement. We have seen that the electronic displacement from this electronic displacement, it is indicated by using the arrows. By using these arrows, this arrow gives a direction sign or electronic displacement. So this direction, it indicates the electron from the electron displacement is started and it is ended. It is a starting point, start, and this is the end. For the electron displacement, the electron displacement is started from this point and it is ended from the arrow. So this arrow indicates if this arrow is on the atom, so this electron displacement on the atom, and if this arrow is on in the bond, on the bond, then this electron displacement on the bond. We have already seen that the electron displacement from the, if this arrow indicates to the bond, so this it indicates that this pi bond is shifted from this point to this bond. So this is one type of electronic displacement, single, and another so this arrow is on the atom. So electronic displacement on this atom. So this is second, and in third, from the atom to the bond. So these are the various electronic displacement, and in last, when there is the bond, it breaks by the homolytic bond fission, then how the electronic displacement takes place. If there is the presence of the bond between the atom A and the atom B, and this bond is breaks by the homolysis bond fission, so this bond is breaks, or the electron displacement is electron displacement, it is in the form of in the equal form. So there are the two electrons are present, so single electron becomes on the atom A, and the single electron it comes on the atom B. So this is how we can indicate this electronic displacement. So this electronic displacement it indicated by the half-headed arrow. So this half-headed arrow it is on the atom A, and the half-headed arrow is the atom on the atom B. So this arrow indicates that single electron it goes to the atom B, and the single electron it goes on the atom A. So there is formation of these are free radicals. These are the free radicals. So how these free radicals, the electronic displacement it is indicated by the half-headed arrow. So these are the various ways in the reaction mechanism. So the electronic displacement is takes place. If we take example, that is methyl bromide. That is methyl bromide. So it is a methyl bromide. This methyl bromide it is on reaction with sodium hydroxide. So this sodium hydroxide is present in the aqueous form. So there is formation of the methyl alcohol takes place. The methyl alcohol and NADH. So how the electronic displacement takes place in this reaction we have to see. So this methyl bromide, the bond present between carbon and the bromine atom. So this bond is polar bond due to the electronegativity difference of the bromine and the carbon. Bromine it has more electronegativity. So the electronic displacement takes place from the carbon to the bromine, or there is development of the partial negative charge on the bromine, and there is development of partial positive charge. When this energy it is dissolved in a water, so there is a separation of the sodium ions plus hydroxide ions is take place in aqueous or in the water. So this OH nucleophile attacks on the carbon atom, and this bromine is removed. So there is formation of the CH3OH plus NaBH. So it is a reaction. It is the reaction mechanism of this reaction. How this methyl bromide is converted into the methyl alcohol. So first, this sodium hydroxide it is dissolved in the water. So there is formation of the sodium and hydroxide ions takes place. Due to the electronegativity difference of the carbon and the bromine, electron density on this carbon is less. So this nucleophile OH or the nucleophile is attached on the carbon atom. So this arrow indicates the electronic displacement. How the electronic displacement is done in this reaction. So this OH it attacks on the carbon atom because the electron density on this carbon atom is less, and bromine atom is removed. So this bromine atom it removes with the electron pair, leaving with the electron pairs, and this bromine is attached with sodium plus. So there is formation of the sodium bromide takes place. Sodium bromide takes place in this our reaction. These arrows gives how the oxygen atom is attached on the carbon. So this pointer of this arrow it indicates this nucleophile attacks on the carbon. This direction of the arrow it gives this bromine is removed from this methyl bromide. So it gives, it means the bromine is removed, and this arrow it indicates that bromine attacks on the sodium, and there is formation of the sodium bromide. This takes place in the our reaction. So this is one type of electronic displacement in the reaction mechanism. There are the various types of the electronic displacement are in the reaction mechanisms are also happen. So reaction mechanism, it is a step by step description how this reactant is converted into the products. So for understanding of the reaction mechanism, it is only the one concept or the one concept to understand the reaction mechanism, that is electronic displacement, how the electrons are shifted from the one atom to the another atom, or the one bond to the another one, or how the electron displacement takes place from the one bond to the another bond, or the one atom to the another atom.